Don't sass me, boy.
Sass me, boy. I know karate.
Don't sass me, Burkus. Let's get started.
Don't sass me.
Don't you sass me like your mother.
Don't you sass me.
Now, don't you sass me, Missy.
Don't you sass me.
For me?
Don't sass me. And I went to this...
Don't sass me like that.
Miss, you are way out of line.
please.
Mr. Glenn, you are way out of line.
Okay, lady. You are way out of line.
𝗬𝗍𝗺𝗏 is way out of line this time. Way out of line.
What? You are way out of line.
You are way out of line!
You are so out of line.
You are way out of line, Bubblegum.
You are way out of line, Corporal.
Now, just a minute, sir. You are way out of line.
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 I'm way out of line.
How about you, Clarence? You all set?
All set.
All set?
Are you all set for the...
Are you all set for your trip?
Okay, Reverend, are you all set?
Okay, so are you all set?
You all set? You all set?
You all set? You all set?
You all set?
You all set?
You are all set.
Can I have a sip? Sure.
Can I just have a sip?
Hey.
Hi. Can I have a sip of your drink? Can I have a sip?
Can I have a sip?
Can I have a sip of that?
Okay. Can I have a sip of this?
Can I have, like, a sip?
Daddy, can I have a sip of your beer? Thanks.
Hey, can I have a sip of that water?
Can I have a sip of your cocoa?
Just one. Can I have a sip?
Can I have a sip?
No.
You want to sit, man? No.
Allie, do you want to sit? Do you want to sip?
Do you want a sip?
Hey, Monkey. Monkey, want a sip?
Delish. Want a sip? Want a sip?
Want a sip?
Want a sip?
Oh, no.
Who wants a sip? Sip time.
You want a sip?
You want a sip?
You want a sip?
You want to sit, man?